It's very easy to apply My Perfect Dyes, but there are a few golden rules that you need to follow. First up, apply to clean, dry skin, so make sure you've wiped under and around the eye area with water. Then you give the bottle a little shake just to mix the ingredients together. If it ever comes out gritty, then pop the lid on and just give it another shake. Now, the less you use with My Perfect Dyes, the better it works. So just put a little bit on the back of your hands, just a small amount like this. Then, to get the best results, you start on the inside corner and you sweep out. You cover over anywhere that you can see any fine lines. Don't forget to take it right up to the lash line and use a sweeping motion. Don't dab the product on. Take it around the corner, anywhere that you can see any crow's feet, and then feather it down onto the cheekbone. So there's not much product on there at all. Now, just to speed this up, I'm going to gently fan it. And you don't have to fan it, but it will make it dry a little bit quicker. Now pop your chin down, Pam, for me, that's it, and look straight ahead, because it's really important. How it dries is how it stays. Now, as it starts to dry, you'll feel a really nice firming sensation. Lots of ladies tell me they love that sensation, but it doesn't last because the product's flexible and it moves with the skin. That's why the tight sensation goes away. After about a minute or so, you'll see that there's no lines, no wrinkles. It completely disappears. I never get tired of watching these results. Once it's dry, you can put your moisturiser around the edges. I'm using My Perfect Day Cream, and you just put a little bit around the edge. Remember, moisturiser dissolves the product, so if you put moisturiser over the top of it, it will dissolve My Perfect Dyes. So just around the edges and then all over the rest of the face. This has SPF in it too, so really important to wear an SPF every day. Once the moisturiser's on, you can apply your foundation over the top. I'm going to use Revlon Colour Stay, but you can use any foundation that you want to. When you apply foundation, use a brush, don't use your fingers to get the best results. So just start on the cheeks with the foundation. This one, as I mentioned, is Revlon Colour Stay, and you can put it all over the face, and then when there's not too much makeup on the brush, you just very, very gently put it over the top of the product. And that's it. It's that easy to apply My Perfect Dyes. We all deserve to look our best 7 days a week, because when you look your best, you feel your best.